How to get a girlfriend. Step 1. Wear your hat backwards. Step 2. Be yourself.
Hey, close the door!
Step 3. Brush your teeth.
Are you serious? Stop it!
Step 4. Don't have the name Luke.
You'll never get a girlfriend.
That's it. Hey, stop crying. I barely even hit you. Is everything all right in there?
Mommy!
That's it. I'm coming to see what's going on. If you stop crying, I'll get you McDonald's.
Okay.
What's the matter?
Nothing, Mommy. He